Okay. It has a taper in it to go up on that shaft and a place for a keyway in it down there. And the keyway on this end is also easily gotten out. I took the grinder to it a little bit. Okay, it has a spacer in there. We'll have to put one in thicker than that. But if you ain't already seen it, I'll point out to you. You see inside this housing that black kind of pasty looking stuff. And also on this spacer here, it's on there too. It's metal. That's the metal that, well, it's a metallic looking paste, and it's slung off. You know, when you put the oil in it and it was running and all, it would slang them shavings, minuscule as they was, are so in order to fix the thing, we'll take that out of it. Webster Magneto. Take note, this is the way they look inside. Get ready to take one apart or have one that needs repair. You have to get down to the, what's wrong with it. So, again, with the aid of a lamp, oh yeah, well, it's this one right there is the, well, to be honest, yeah, it's this. Oh yeah, it's apparent. You can see it here too. You may not see it there on the camera, but I'll describe it to you. As I'm looking at this with the light, okay, when I turn this, okay, the edge of these laminations, that's a whole bunch of laminations there put together with a big long rivet. But when I'm looking at these laminations here, this one right here, I can see that it's been making, you can see what's been rubbing on another piece of metal. So, and then looking all around, this one actually has it right along the edge right there. And this one has it pretty much all up and down but light. And then this one, again, shows what it's been rubbing. So, and observing this and taking close attention to it, if you remember when this was in the housing and we slid it with the amount of play it had and we slid it that way, then it would get more harder to turn. Well, if you look at this lamination we got out here, right down here on the edge, you can see where that, when that was pushed down that way, it rubbed a lot. That right there made a lot of contact on the edge down there. So did that one. So, and none up here. See, there's no contact at all on this edge. So, yeah, I'll get the micrometer out here and mic this stuff. It don't look like it's wore very much, that don't. And see how much spacer we need to wash all these parts up really, really good. And at some point we have to put it back together after knowing how come it rubbed up there. What was the reasoning for that,